I'm at 17, combination from them skits and all the shit a niggas sing. From promoting, but it's blocky on my side, I let it sing. The suckers clicking up, I find it dumb, they ain't intervene. I don't wanna open up like there's a demon at my door. Don't wanna bring a violence, I ain't beefing no hoe. I was surfing on my ops, you know them niggas that you know. Disappointed in myself, cause all that shit I couldn't show. If I ever get that chance, change my mind and change my ways. It's probably up in heaven, cause on the earth they gotta pay. I was walking niggas down, mossy blood up on my J's. Just know your baby making sure you comfy where you lay. I'm my father's son, it's so the dedication to my blood. They tell you life's a gamble, you the dice without the die. No vision of a marriage, but I'm in love with shooting glass. I can tell you what I did before my gang, I did the right. Rest in peace in my heart, it's so stuck up in the cage. And my mind is getting cloudy like it's sparking up a flame. You been trying to write your book and I'm just trying to flip a page. I'm gonna tell you all them stories if I ever see that age. Hard to show you my love, but understand you only mine. See in terms and conditions, but all I really need is time. Baby said she's getting scared, she having thoughts about me dying. It's just us against the laws, I made a promise we'll be fine.